Hello, so in this video I'm gonna talk about some of the applications I use on a daily basis. So maybe some of you will learn something in this video. So let's start. The first app I'm gonna show you guys is my program launcher. It is Rofi, and I use it to launch applications because I use a window manager, iFree in this case. So Rofi works that way. I use a shortcut in i3 Super D to open, and then in Rofi I can type any application like Cube Browser, Zotero, virt-manager, anything, and then I can enter and the application will launch. Like here it is, virt-manager. So the next application I want to show you is Vim. Vim is a text editor. I have some videos in Portuguese here in my channel. You can check it out. But basically Vim, I can edit some text file or maybe a document in LaTeX. I've been trying to learn it lately. So let me open my iFree config. Here's my iFree config. You can see my shortcut for Rofi right here, and that's it. I edit files in LaTeX here in Vim. Like, let me show you my project for university. I passed it to LaTeX. LaTeX is a formatting language. Like, you use a syntax to make your text or a document to look how you want it to look on an output file in PDF. So this file actually in PDF it looks like let me show you. It looks like that. Let me move myself from here. So it actually looks like that. All that code. Let me close it and put me back here. So the next application I want to show you is virt-manager. It is a file manager based on Vim, not based on Vim, but you can use Vim keys to navigate on your files. Like here I can use K and J to go up and down, and then L to enter on some directory. If I want to open an image, it will open on my default program like that. I'm in front of it, but you can see that it opened. So let me go back to here. Okay, GG. Yeah, let me quit from it. The next application is actually the image viewer you saw earlier, SXIV. I can launch any image with the command SXIV, and then the location of the image. Like, I'm gonna open my wallpaper. You can see here, that is my wallpaper. The next one is my video player, and I use MPV. Actually, MPV is what is running here on what is running my webcam for you guys to see my face. So it is running on MPV, but if I want to play some video, I can just, like SXIV, put MPV and then vid and then play some video like that. Alright, and it's gonna play. If I want it to loop, for example, I could put MPV dash dash loop equals inf, and then the video I want to play. All right. The next application is the Fura. The Fura is a PDF reader. It can read EPUB, PDF, manga, books, but you need to install some packages for it to work. Like if I search here on Pacman, you can see there is Zatura PS, Zatura PDF, Poplar, Zatura PDF, MU PDF. Those are some packages to make Zatura able to read PDF. Like it can't read PDF by default. So here, let me see some file for. And in Zatura, you can use Vim bindings as well, like virt-manager or SXIV. You can use, like on SXIV, you can zoom in with capital K and zoom out on capital J. And you can go to the next image pressing N, and to the previous with P, and some other cool bindings. So let me see. Let me open something. Okay, so here is a document. Like if I press K, I go up, J go down, U, I go up half a page, D down half a page, page up, go up a page down, go down a page, capital G, I go to the bottom of the document, and GG, I go to the top. I bind it to be I, and I can invert the colors, but this is a custom config I did. Like if I come here, you can see I put those bindings. I can zoom in with capital K and zoom out with capital J, and we color. That's how Zatura calls with I, and print with P. So the next app I want to show you is actually my browser. I use Qt browser. That is a browser I can use with Vim key bindings. So let me go to a website. Like if I go to Archwiki, like Archwiki about fstab, you saw that I typed just AW and then space and fstab, and then I'm right here on Archwiki page with on the fstab page. So some of the bindings of Qt browser, just to show you, if I press F, I'm gonna follow some links, and then if I press like AF, like GPT partition labels, I go to this link. But if it was another page, I would go into it on that same tab. But if I do it with capital F, I would open another tab to go there, like capital F, D, and I went there. If I want to close the tab, D. If I want to open another link, I can press O. If I want to open it on another tab, I can press capital O. Let me see. If I type GG, for example, I go to the top of the page and capital G to the bottom. And those are some of the bindings. If I want to change the tabs, I can go capital K or capital J. So those are some of the bindings. I use ffmpeg to record those videos on YouTube. So let me open my, oops, mistyped. Let me open my script. So here I use a command, ffmpeg, that is an application to record a lot of stuff and record audio, video. You can edit video with ffmpeg just in the terminal, but usually we use a graphical front end. So here I use some flags like video size. I use the native resolution of my computer. Frame rate, I use 25 frames per second. This F flag, I'm just saying ffmpeg, grab all my X11 graphical session, so it takes my whole screen. This I option, I just put some zeros just to, because I could tell ffmpeg to just take a part of my screen, but it's taking all of it. This pause thing is just saying like take my audio from the pause default microphone and stuff like that. And this here in the end is a variable that I'm gonna input when I run the script for it to be the name of the file that ffmpeg is gonna create. So I use virt-manager. Let me launch it with Rofi to manage my virtual machines. virt-manager is a front end, a graphical front end to KVM, KVM. That is a machine emulator. So I use this application to manage it. And finally, CMuse. Let me put it here, floating. And then on CMuse, I can listen to some music. That's my music player. So I can just choose some artists, and I can use Vim keys right here, so I could play some music. Right, gonna quit here to don't be copyrighted. And I think that's it for this video. So I hope you guys could learn something on it, and I think I'm gonna leave you guys here. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So I see you in the next video.